my beautiful, beautiful flowers for my balcony. And Erica brought them, my red and white flowers. And here's my garden Marianne planted. So hopefully there's a tarragon right in the center. And then a whole bunch of lots of beautiful herbs. I hope they all grow and we'll have them. I'll enjoy them and I'll get to water them and take care of plants. There's nothing more life-giving to me than taking care of plants, it seems like. I truly, absolutely love doing that. So this was my break today. Enjoyed my visit with my friends. They're still here. And tomorrow I'm having a realtor open house. They're coming out to look at the house. Just the realtors. And then hopefully I'll quickly sell and plant a garden in my new house.